It's recording.
Comes at you. You know to dodge it, right?
Mm-hmm.
16.8. So you spun that one
Dad,
faster, and you got
it's doing it
51.
right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Last one. $16 and a 51. Okay, put that ball down.
I don't know how to zoom
Get
in.
a regular one.
Can't look at the guys, she said.
Oh.
Forward to the end of the mat.
And I
Stay
put her
your
in the
left foot
middle
front.
square.
Okay, get wider. All right, don't move your feet. Go ahead and windmill. Go as hard as you can. 43.
Middle square, Dad.
So this is your arm speed category.
I'm gonna put her in the middle square.
42. One more. 43. Okay, you can hop up, move your bucket. You can turn that off.
Okay.
I like the cover.